In this video, I will show you how to open your live server with your preferred browser. Okay, look at what happens. Let me go for a boilerplate. Okay, I will go for dock and then hit the tab. Okay, and that will give me this boilerplate. So what I can do is to go for the body and go for H1 and then go hit tab. I will write code with Samuel. Okay, so if I try to open this with my browser, Chrome browser, is not gonna work. So let me go for that. I have Chrome here. I want that to open somewhere here. Okay, then let me go for a right click. I will right click and go for open with live server. Okay, so let's see what happens. You can see that this opened with another browser, Microsoft Edge. Okay, but I don't want to work with two browsers. I want to work with my Chrome. So what can we do to fix this? It's very simple. So let's go get this deleted. We go for settings here. You see this gear, the settings. Click on that settings, then go for settings and then go for the search bar and type live server config. And hit enter. Or you can see it here already. You can see it, live server config. Just click on that and then go scroll down for let's go for here. You will see live server settings custom browser. So by default we have it at null. You can make your choice here. It depends on the browser you want to use. So for me, I will go for Chrome and then let's go select that, and that is it. So let me go back again. Let me close this window and right click and go for open with live server. This time around you can see that it's opened with my Chrome browser. I will be uploading more videos on JavaScript. Consider subscribing to this channel and you will not regret it. Thanks for watching and God bless you.